There are 3 stages to creating an ad hoc report in Apollo FM. Stage 1 names the report and selects the file to report on. Stage 2 filters the data, and Stage 3 displays the data. In this video I am going to create a simple report to show the hours worked by trade for a time period. In Stage 1 we start to create the report. First we give the report a name which must not contain spaces. I will call this Apollo Short 1. I can then choose a file by clicking on the question mark button next to the File to Report box. This displays the file names and what they contain. In this example we are going to use the history file. I do not need to complete the Using Dict file box for this report, and in most cases this is not used. I now type in a heading for my report. I then just check the input and click on the next button. I'm now in stage 2 of the report creation, and I'm going to use the drop down list to choose dictionaries to filter the report with. As it is for a given period, I'm going to use the completed date of the job to filter the data. This is in the list as dat.comp. I select the dictionary dat.comp and then choose the operator. First I select greater than or equal to for my first operator. Then I select yes so that I can enter the date I want to use at runtime. I then click Next. This allows me to choose the dat.comp dictionary again so that I can enter less than or equal to in the operator. And again use yes to enter at runtime. Again, click Next to confirm your input. These 2 entries will prompt me to fill in the start date and the end date at runtime to select the data by. Now we click on the display button to move on to stage 3. Stage 3 is for choosing what data you want to see on your report. After choosing each dictionary, I will click the Next button to complete the input. I will start by choosing the record reference in case I want to investigate the docket later. I will also choose job so I know the job number of this docket. I will also choose the date complete so I can confirm the selection has captured the dates I entered at runtime. Then I choose the trade, and this time I check the Sort Ascending checkbox. This will sort the data by trade. I will also check the Group By checkbox so that the trades are grouped by type. I will now choose the total hours for the docket, and I will check the total checkbox so the hours are totaled. As I have grouped the trade, this action will also provide a subtotal of the hours by trade, as well as a final total. I have completed my input for now, so I can save the report. If you wish to share this report, check the checkbox to share report before you click the Save button. If you do not check this, the report will only be available to your username. Your report is saved, and you can now try out the report. This report can be amended later to add more filters and more columns of data, so this is not your last chance to amend the report. I would encourage you to start off simply and build up the filters and data columns later. Now click the Run button to try out your new report. Choose Screen and then enter your date range to filter the data by. Then choose Submit to display the results. Congratulations, you have created your first report.